friends. Today we're having beets and goat cheese tacos.
Heat cooking oil in a skillet. With a basting brush, evenly spread olive oil on one side of the corn tortilla, place it on the hot pan, and do the same on the other side. Turn the tortillas until it's nice and crispy. Cut beets into small pieces. While you're at it, chop some cilantro and red onions. The taste of beets can change depending on how you prepare and cook them. I like to taste the earthy flavor, so I'm going to add a little olive oil to a pan, then hot. Drop the beets, mix, then season with cumin, salt, cayenne pepper, and crushed red pepper. Mix again, and it's done. 3 minutes top. Time to prepare these yummy tacos. Spread some guacamole salsa, add the beets, red onions, goat cheese, and garnish with some cilantro.
You want to beat your athletic performance? You gotta have beets.